Guys, today I'm taking a look at a piece of tech that is taking the nation by storm. It's an air fryer. Yeah, an air fryer. What's so special? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Yes guys, today I am looking at an air fryer from Dreo. Now if you don't know Dreo, well, they make all kinds of home tech products, and in fact I've been lucky enough to review some of their space heaters, and if you're up to that or even into that, I'll leave a card up here. But today guys, yeah, air fryers. So what's the deal with these appliances and why would you want one? Well, an air fryer is similar to an oven in the sense that it kind of bakes and roasts, right? But the difference is its heating elements are only located at the top, and they're accompanied by a large powerful fan, resulting in food that's super crispy and in no time at all, and most notably with no or tiny bit of oil, and that's good, definitely for health reasons, right? Now, air fryers typically heat up very quickly and they cook food quickly and evenly thanks to a combination of that heat source that's concentrated and the size and placement of the fan. I mean, that's all the technical stuff, right? But another great thing with air fryers is the cleanup. Now, you know what? Most air fryer baskets and racks and whatnot are dishwasher safe, or you can just kind of soak it for a few minutes, give it a quick swish over, and really you're done. It takes a minute, if that, maybe 30 seconds. Now, air fryers bake food at high temperature with a high powered fan, like I already said. Whilst things like deep fat fryers, they kind of tend to cook food in a vat of oil that's been heated up to like scalding temperature. But you know what? Both of these appliances do cook food quickly, but an air fryer requires 0 preheat time, or actually mine requires 3 minutes, while a deep fat fryer can take 10 minutes just to heat that oil up. Now, what about the taste, and are these things healthy? Well, the taste and the texture of an air fryer is comparable to the results of a deep fat fryer. So that means you're going to get nice crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So yeah, compared to deep fat frying, air frying is definitely a healthier alternative. And guys, compared to firing up the oven or waiting for that oil to kind of heat up in a deep fat fryer to get to that scalding hot temperature, which quite frankly isn't that safe these days, these things cost a fraction of the price to run. So anyway, enough of all of that hype, let's give it a go. Maybe a lunchtime bacon sandwich. So we're in the kitchen now, we're going to preheat this, which is a kind of preset, which pretty much gets this up to temperature at 200 degrees, and it runs for about 3 minutes. I'm going to speed it up as I don't want you guys waiting, and more importantly, salivating over my bacon sandwiches. Right, preheat done, let's pop the bacon in, let's set the temperature. Now, like I said, this thing's got a bunch of presets, but I like to go manual, so let's set the time and we are off to the races. Right, done. Open her up, and there we have our bacon cooked just the way I like it. Pop it into the bread, a bit of red sauce. Yeah, I know you haters out there are probably going to prefer brown, but hey, no one's perfect, right? And there you go guys, perfectly tasty and healthy. Well, as healthy as a bacon sandwich can get. And you know what? Yeah, yum yum. Clean up, 30 seconds to a minute, wash it out, and then you know what? Feet up and get on with the rest of your day. So guys, there you have it. This Dreo air fryer is quick, easy and cheap to run and makes some great food. I've since made steak, pork chops, onion rings. Who doesn't love an onion ring, right? Lamb chops and more, and you know what, all have been absolutely delicious. Now Dreo make a ton of different models. Actually, they make a couple of different models, and this one is the smallest one they make. I hope to get the bigger one once the model hits the UK, but you know what guys, this model with temperatures of 40 to 200 and 200 degrees Celsius, a 50 recipe cookbook, a 3.8 litre basket, 9 presets on an LED touchscreen. You get preheat, you get shake reminder, you get a timer and temperature control, and a non-stick basket. I'm loving it. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll leave any product links and discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. If you'd like to see more of my content or even more food cooked in my air fryer, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thank you for watching. Thanks to Dreo for sending me the most useful piece of home tech I've reviewed in a long while. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.